You're watching How Leap. Let's learn how to hide your phone number while making a call on Android. First, open the phone app, dial the number you want to call, but before pressing the call button, add a specific prefix. In many countries, including the US and UK, the prefix is 67, so dial 67 followed by the full phone number, like 675551234567, then press call. Your number will appear as private or unknown to the recipient. For a permanent setting, go to your phone app settings, tap the three-dot menu, then settings. Look for calling accounts or additional settings. Tap on your SIM card, find caller ID or show my caller ID, tap on it and select hide number or never. This will hide your number for all outgoing calls. To revert, change the setting back to show number or use the prefix 82 before a call to temporarily show your number. Note that some carriers or countries may not support hiding your caller ID or may charge for the service. Also, emergency services and toll-free numbers will still receive your number. This is useful for privacy when calling unknown parties. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.